Hello students, this is the second part of chapter number 7, soil. Let's continue. Tetanus. We have already studied about the microorganisms that are present in soil. Some of these are very harmful and may cause diseases in human beings. One of these diseases is tetanus. Tetanus, also called lockjaw, is an infection that affects the nervous system and leads to severe stiffening of the body. It is caused by a bacterium. Tetanus occurs all over the world. Its spores are found in the environment, usually in soil, dust, and animal waste. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ soil da yauba microorganisms kaya ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ tamkhre makoising asi kharadi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ amang ata thoanba kaya marum yawi aduna maram oiraga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ human being da laina kaya marum thoal makoising asigi marakta tetanus haiba laina asisu amani tetanus atop maming lockjaw haiba laina si ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ nervous system da effect tawrakpa akaiba pirakpa adugumba laina amani tetanus haiba laina sina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ hakchang sibu stiffening ohelli haibadi isasi kontok konchin yadabida chapting na lehenba adubuni masigi laina si bacterium haiba microorganisms sing aduna thoanmani tetanus haiba laina si pitribigi mafam pudimakta loina naba laina amani tetanus ki mahik asi environment da fungi makoising asi ayamana soil laihawda dust ufun aduga animal waste haibadi sa singi amangbada yawgal. Next, let's see tetanus infection. The spores of tetanus bacterium enter a human body through an open cut or wound. Upon their entry, they produce a powerful nerve poison. This poison spreads inside the body, especially in the spinal cord, and causes paralysis and stiffness in various muscles of the body. Bacterium haiba tetanus thoaliba mahik asina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯎꯟꯁꯥ ꯑꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯈꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯜꯂꯕ ꯅꯔꯚꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯖꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯔꯗꯇ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ paralysis amasung stiffness thoali paralysis haibadi aikoi ki hakchang asi sidhaba adubuni aduga stiffness hairagana hakchang si kontok konjin ngamdaba adubuni. The symptoms of tetanus start appearing after 10 to 12 days of the infection. The early symptoms include headache, muscle contraction, and stiff jaw. The disease, if not cured in time, can also cause death of the person. Tetanus ki symptom asi infection thokraba matungda numit 10 dagi 12 fawgi matungda uthorai. Tetanus asigi early symptoms da makoina utlibasi kok chikpa aikoigi muscle sing chingjalakpa aduga aikoigi khadang lengba ngamaktaba asising asin laina asibu matam chana aikoina layeng duna faba ngamhaudragadi nariba miyoi adubu siba fawa thoale. Paralysis. Paralysis is the loss of ability to move a body part or loss of sensation over a region of the body. Paralysis haibasi aikoigi hakchangi part lengba ngamaktaba aduga aikoigi hakchangi jaga kharada sensation walakpa asibun. Sensation haibadi aikoina thengbada aikoida karimta fawdaba adubuni. Next, let's see prevention of tetanus. As the saying goes, Prevention is always better than cure. It is always better to adopt a few simple measures to prevent tetanus in the first place. Some of the ways to prevent it are: children are usually given prevention from tetanus by a vaccine called DPT. It is an effective vaccine and provides prevention against tetanus. Tetanus can also be avoided by proper cleaning of cuts and wounds with an antiseptic solution and by taking antibiotics. The injection of tetanus must be given after any skin injury. Aikoina adum hainariba nakoina su toina tarangani, prevention is always better than cure. Haibadi naraga layeng babudi nadringaida ngakthokpasina hena fai haibani. Maram aduna tetanus asi nadringaida aikoina ngakthoknaba honahauba asina hena fai. Tetanus ngakthoknaba ways khara ikoi yengsi. Angangsingda tetanus haiba laina asidagi ngakthoknabagidamakta DPT haiba vaccine asi kapthoi. Tetanus asi ngakthoknabagidamakta aikoina sokhiba unsagi jaga asi antiseptic solution amana fajana samthokadabani aduga aikoina antibiotics sinagadabani. Aikoigi unsa asi sokhraba khudingi aikoina tetanus ki injection asi adum kapkadabani. Bingo's Knowledge Bank. Antibiotics are chemical substances which are capable of destroying or inhibiting the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. Antibiotics haibasi chemical substance amani masina microorganisms example oina hairabada bacteria gumba sing asi chawkhalakpadagi natragana makoi sing asibu tugaiba hatpa ngamba adugumba chemical substance amani. Let's see, recall with bingo. Soil is defined as the uppermost layer of the earth's crust in which plants grow. Soil haibasi pitribigi matak ithang thangba layer pambi sing hauba jaga adubun. There are three main types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, and loam. Soil asi maruoina makal ahong thokopiyai: sandy soil, clay soil, aduga loam. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks due to the action of wind, water, temperature, and microorganisms. This is called weathering. Soil asi rocks sing makup kaithar aga semi. Makup kaitharakpa asi nungsit, ising, temperature, microorganisms makoi singi mateng lauraga kaitharakpani. Rocks sing kaitharakpa asibu koina weathering haina khangnai. Soil consists of a number of components. These include soil particles, humus, minerals, water, and air. Soil asi components kya marumama yawi makoi sing asi humus, minerals, water, air asi sing. Various organisms like earthworms, snails, insects, and other microorganisms like bacteria and fungi are found in soil. Tongan ba organisms jiba panbasing samna hairabada earthworm, snails, insect, microorganisms like bacteria, fungi makoi sing asi soil de loina fang. Due to natural factors like strong wind, rain, and running water, the top layer of soil is often blown or washed away. This removal of top fertile soil by wind, water, or other factors is known as soil erosion. Yamna kanba nungsit, nong natragana senthaba ising asigumba mahausagi oiba factor asina soil asibu hummaga chatki natragana samthoga chatki. Nungsit ka isingana soil gi mathak ithang thangba lehau chenba lauthokiba asibu aikoina soil erosion haina khangnai. The protection of soil and its prevention against erosion is known as soil conservation. Soil erosion dagi ngakthoknaba aikoina pambai kya sijinaba asibu aikoina soil conservation haina khangnai. Planting trees, terrace farming, building dams, and controlling overgrazing are some of the ways by which soil conservation can be done. Soil asi kannabagidamakta aikoina u mayam ama thaba, terrace farming tauba, chingda aikoina step by step farming tauba aduni, dams kya saba, aduga aikoigi cattle sing grazing tawhan basi machinjak pijaba napi pijaba si aikoina mafam sana pijaba asina chingba sing asina soil sing asibu aikoina kanbada mateng oi. Tetanus is an infection that affects the nervous system and leads to severe stiffening of the body. Tetanus haiba laina asi aikoigi nervous system da akaiba piba laina amani. Masina maram moiraga aikoigi hakchang asi chingduna konba ngamaktaba ama oi. Tetanus can be prevented by giving DPT vaccine, proper cleaning of cuts and wounds with an antiseptic solution, and by giving tetanus injection after a skin injury. Tetanus asi ngakthoknabagidamakta aikoina DPT vaccine kapthokadabani, aduga aikoina sokhiba unsasingda antiseptic solution na fazana chamthokadabani, aduga aikoina aikoigi unsa si sokhragadi tetanus injection asi adum kapthokadabani. Here it comes the end of the chapter number 7, soil. Thank you all.